Taylor series, Maclaurin series are familiar forms of examples for infinite series. Another popular example for infinite series is power series. An infinite series of the form summation n ranges from 0 to infinity a suffix n x raised to n is known as power series in x. This power series converges in an interval centered at x equals 0. When you give different values for n here, starting from n equals 0, 1, 2 and so on, you have this power series can be expanded as a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus etc. plus anx raised to n plus etc. This kind of series, summation n ranges from 0 to infinity a suffix n x minus a the whole raised to n, is also an example for power series, and this power series is a power series in x minus a. For this general term an x minus a the whole raised to n, when you give different values for n starting from n equals 0, 1, 2 etc., you have this power series can be expanded as a0 plus a1 x minus a plus a2 x minus a the whole square plus etc. plus an x minus a the whole raised to n plus etc. This power series is known as power series in x because each term involves power of x. This power series is known as power series in x minus a because each term involves power of x minus a. The first term involves x minus a the whole raised to 0. Similarly, here we have the power of x will be 0. First term a0 can be considered as a0 times x raised to 0. When you consider the Taylor series, which can be written as summation n ranges from 0 to infinity f raised to n of x0 upon n factorial multiplied to x minus x0 the whole raised to n. Notice that this Taylor series is a power series in x minus x0. This is because every term of the Taylor series can be considered as terms involving powers of x minus x0. Notice that when you consider a power series in x, the interval of convergence of this kind of power series will be an interval centered at x equals 0. When you consider interval of convergence for this kind of power series, the interval of convergence will be an interval centered at x equals a. Similarly, when you consider this kind of power series, which is power series in x minus x0, the interval of convergence of power series will be actually the set of all values for which the power series will converge, and it will be an interval centered at x equals x0.